Welcome back to the new video of Easy Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make an animated image slider on website using HTML and CSS. In this image slider you can see zoom out effect for each images and different text for each slides. I have also added some CSS animation on this text, that's why it is moving from down to up. So you will learn to make this animated image slider using HTML and CSS, but before starting this video I will request you to please like this video and also subscribe if you are new on my channel. Now let's start this video. First I have this folder, and in this folder I have some images and one HTML file, one CSS file. Now I will open my text editor, which is brackets editor. So this is my HTML file and this one is CSS file. You can see I have already connected HTML file with CSS with this line of code. Now we will come to the body tag, and here we will create one div. I am adding one class name also, so let's write the class name banner1. Now I will use this class name in the CSS file. For this one we'll set the height 100 VH, which is viewport height, width 100%. Now we'll add position, it will be absolute, and left 0, top 0. In this div we will add image, so I am using image tag, then source and the image file name, which is slide1.jpg. Now we'll come to the CSS file, and here we'll add img for the images, and for this one we'll set width, which will be 120%, position absolute, left 50% and top 50%. Next we will add transform translate. It will be -50% and -50%. So this image will come in the center. Now we will open our HTML file with Google Chrome. So right now you can see one image on this complete web page, and you can see some scrolling from vertical and horizontal direction also. For that we'll come back to the CSS, and here we will add overflow hidden. Reload the web page. So now there is no scrolling bar. Next we will add some text over this image. So just come back to the HTML file, and here we will create one div and add one class name. So I am using text box. In this div I will add one title, so I am using h1. So this is our title. Next we will add some small text, so I am using p tag. Now let's copy this class name in the CSS file, and for this one we will write width, position absolute, let's write top and left, color it will be white. Now reload the web page so that you can see this title on this image. Let's copy this class name again, and here we will write h1 for the title. Let's add margin from the bottom. Let's copy it again. Here we will add p. Font size it will be 14 pixel and line height 18 pixel. We'll add some margin from top, and now you can see some space between this title and a small text. Here we will add one horizontal line. So just come back to the HTML file, and here we will add span, open and close. Let's copy this span, write it into the CSS file, and before that we will put this class name. For this span we will add background, any color, and height 1 pixel and width 100 pixel. Position it will be absolute, left 0. Reload the web page. Now you can see this horizontal line between this title and a small text. So this is our first slide. Similarly we will create other slides also. So just come back to the HTML file and simply duplicate this one. This is the second slide. Let's duplicate it again. Now we will change the image file name and the title. Here also we will change the image file name and title, because we need different text for each slides. So this is the fourth slide. Let's refresh the web page. Now you can see only fourth slide here. All are hidden behind this fourth slide. Now just come back to the HTML file, and here we will change the class name banner 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now just copy this class name and come to the CSS file. Here we will add each banner's class name, which is banner 1, banner 2, banner 3 and banner 4. Just copy the first one, write it here. For this one we will write animation slide 1 12 seconds linear infinite. Duplicate it, and here we will change the banner 2, banner 3 and banner 4. These animation name also will change: slide 1, slide 2, slide 3 and slide 4. Next we will set keyframes for these animation. So here we will write keyframes slide 1. For this one we will write 0% visibility visible. Let's duplicate it, and here we will change it to 25%. Then visibility, it will be hidden. Duplicate it, then make it 50%, and again duplicate it and change it to 75%, and duplicate it again, then write 100%, and on 100% it will again become visible. That's it. So this was the keyframes for the first slide. Let's duplicate it, and here we will change it to slide 2. This one will become hidden, and for the 50% we will write visible, and the last one it will be hidden. Now duplicate it, and here we will add slide 3 for the third slide. Here we will change it to hidden, and this one will become visible. Let's duplicate it again, and this is for the fourth one. Here we will change it to hidden, and this one visible on 100%. Here we will write slide 4. Now refresh the web page. Now you can see these slides are changing after 3 seconds. This is the first slide, this is the second one, this is the third one, and now this is the fourth one. So now you can see these slides are changing automatically after each 3 seconds. Next we have to add some zoom out effect for each images. So just come here in the CSS file, and here we will add animation zoom out 3 seconds linear infinite. Let's copy it. Here we'll write keyframes zoom out, then here we'll add 100%, width it will become 100%. Refresh the web page, and you can see zoom out effect on this slider image. So finally our images are changing, and there is a zoom out effect on each image. Next we have to animate this text. So let's come back to the HTML file, and here we will add animation. Let's write the name text up 12 seconds linear infinite. Let's copy it, and here we will add keyframes. Then animation name here. First we'll write 10%. Transform translate y 0 pixel. Then we'll write 100%. Transform translate y 0 pixel. And again come back to this class name text box, and here we will write transform translate y 100 pixel. That's it. Reload the web page. But you can see this text animation effect in the first slide only, not in the other one. So we have to add some delay. Just come back to the HTML file, and in this div I will add one more class name. With the textbox I am adding one class name, textbox1. Now for the second one, textbox2. This is the third one, textbox3, and this one, textbox4. Now we will use this class name in the CSS file. So just come back to the CSS file, and here we will add textbox1 and animation delay, it will be 0 second. Let's duplicate it and change it to textbox2. This animation delay 3 seconds, for the third one 6 seconds, and the fourth one 9 seconds. That's it. Save these changes and reload the web page. Now you can see text animation for each slides. So finally you can see our completed image slider with animated image and animated text. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.